Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to do a Chic Sparrow unpackaging or unboxing. If you're new, welcome, I'm Jen. So the story behind this Chic Sparrow is I de-stashed about 14 Chic Sparrows and I decided that I wanted to get 2 of them but try a different size. And so I'm going to share what I got. So I've already had these leathers before. These are not new leathers. They are still available, have been available for a while. So yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. And I also want to apologize about my nails because I went to a nail shop a couple of weeks ago. He shaved my nails down. I guess my nails got brittle and they start breaking. So I'm very irritated because I use my real nails, but yeah, so if you're wondering why my nails look crazy, it's because they've been breaking for the past week. So, but anyway, so we're going to go ahead. Like I said, these are not new leathers. They're not new sizes to me, but I have never, we're going to open this one first. I've never received this leather in this size, so I'm excited about it. So we're going to go ahead and look at it. Oh, they have new packaging. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty purple tissue paper and the thank you. Oh, and it has the stamp. I'm going to have to put that in my scrapbook or junk journal. That is cute. So I'm going to go ahead and I bought a Giovani standard size in a number 10. I actually should go grab, I may have to do it in another video. Oh, no, let me grab it. So I've never bought a Giovani in a standard, so I wanted to try it. And so this leather is from when they were doing their like these mystery sales, and you pay a certain amount for the size, but you don't know what leather. So this leather was never released. So that's what I want to say. It's an unreleased leather. So if you see this, that's what that is here. So this is my N1 full year. I want to see, hold on. I want to see how this fits in here. So it is pretty. There's their new logo. So let's see. Let's see if I can slide it in the back. And I like Giovani because the leather wraps around the notebooks so beautifully. Oh yeah, this is nice. Let's see. Oops. I can get it in there. Okay, that's the only thing about it being soft. Let's see. There we go. Just work it my way in there. And what's nice is if I want to add some more books, I can. So it's in the Cascade, and that is the number 10. And it does fit a little big, but like I said, I can add other books in there. So, but if you wanted an idea of how it fits, if you have the Sterling Ink N1, that's how that would fit. Is that something on there? Oh, that may be just the leather. So, yep, there is that. So now I just have 2 Giovannis because I actually sold 2 of my Giovannis, a B6 and an A5. So this is going to replace my Giovanni. So there we go. And then last but not least, I purchased this leather because I wanted a black leather. In the past, Chic Sparrow said they were going to discontinue the black creme. I think they renamed the whole collection, and I can't remember the name of it. But I decided to get a B6 black creme. Like I said, I don't know the new name. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, that has some nice texture. So there is that B6. Oh, that's nice. Just a very basic black. I like this. It's soft, so I don't have my black Scout anymore, my B6. I do have a standard Scout, but I actually like this because it's super soft. Yeah, I like this. And it comes with the new logo. I like the texture on it. I've never had and I sold my creme brulee B6 as well. So this is nice because now I have a basic black. I have a bunch of brown in the B6, but now I have a black. So there you go. Those are just, so if you want to see what the recent Chic Sparrow leathers look like, this kind of gives you an idea. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing. So yeah, I like this though. Creme is one of my favorite. I started questioning if I should have got the A5, but B6 and standard is pretty much kind of my jam usually. Speaking of, let me go grab a book to put in here. This is the Wonderland 222 planner. I think it's the full. What do they consider it? Stat. Yeah, this is the thick one. So actually now I'm curious to see how this will fit in here. It does go really nice with the black too. Let's see. Okay. See, that's the thing. There's a lot of room, but you can actually add extra books to it. Or I can put it on the string. Let's try it on the string. Let's see how it fits on the string. And like I said, this will give you an idea of the newer Chic Sparrow leather. It has been a while since I've done. So yeah, it's still big. But there you go. So it will fit the full size. There it goes on the side. These books, I will admit, I don't know. I have mixed feelings about like thick books. I'm usually used to like having several different books. But yeah. But there we go. That's how that fits in there. And that is the black. I actually like it better in the back. I don't like how it is on the string. Let's see. It has some pretty texture. Yeah, I think I'll keep it in the back, on the back. Yep. To me, it fits better, but I don't know. It's fitting a little bit. It needs time to mold, but there we go. That is the black creme and the Giovani, which it does have a little bit of gapping. Like I said, yeah, so you can get an idea of what that looks like. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.